Here is a beginner-level production manager quiz that covers labor productivity and shift planning, productivity and efficiency metrics improvement, and innovation and continuous improvement. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary goal of labor productivity improvement in manufacturing? A. To reduce the number of workers. B. To increase output while maintaining quality. C. To increase production costs. And D. To overwork employees. The answer is to increase output while maintaining quality. Question 2. Which factor most influences labor productivity? A. The efficiency of workflows and employee training. B. The number of supervisors in a facility. C. The color of the uniforms worn by workers. And D. The number of break rooms in the workplace. The answer is the efficiency of workflows and employee training. Question 3. What is a key benefit of effective shift planning in production? A. Increased employee burnout. B. Assigning the same employees to night shifts every day. C. Better workload distribution and reduced fatigue. And D. Avoiding employee rest breaks. The answer is better workload distribution and reduced fatigue. Question 4. Which shift pattern is commonly used in continuous manufacturing operations? A. 9 to 5 fixed shift. B. Shortest shift first. C. Weekly off shift. And D. Rotating shifts. The answer is rotating shifts. Question 5. Which of the following improves workforce efficiency? A. Random shift assignments. B. Monitoring worker performance and optimizing schedules. C. Avoiding any changes to shift patterns. And D. Ignoring worker feedback. The answer is monitoring worker performance and optimizing schedules. Question 6. What is a key performance indicator, KPI, for labor productivity? A. Units produced per hour per worker. B. Number of meetings held. C. The total number of employees in a factory. And D. Time spent on coffee breaks. The answer is units produced per hour per worker. Question 7. Which metric helps measure production efficiency? A. The number of computers in an office. B. Employee satisfaction survey. C. Overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. And D. Number of customer complaints. The answer is overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. Question 8. What is the purpose of measuring first pass yield, FPY? A. To count the number of defects produced. B. To determine how many products are manufactured correctly the first time. C. To track how many workers are available per shift. And D. To measure the amount of energy consumed in production. The answer is to determine how many products are manufactured correctly the first time. Question 9. Which of the following actions can improve production efficiency? A. Streamlining workflows and reducing unnecessary steps. B. Increasing rework on defective products. C. Ignoring production performance metrics. And D. Reducing automation. The answer is streamlining workflows and reducing unnecessary steps. Question 10. Which factor negatively impacts labour productivity? A. Training employees regularly. B. Providing clear job instructions. C. Poor work scheduling and frequent machine breakdowns. And D. Implementing lean manufacturing. The answer is poor work scheduling and frequent machine breakdowns. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the primary goal of continuous improvement in production? A. To maintain the same processes indefinitely. B. To reduce innovation in production. C. To increase paperwork in production. And D. To gradually optimize processes for better efficiency and quality. The answer is to gradually optimize processes for better efficiency and quality. Question 12. Which of the following methodologies is commonly used for continuous improvement? A. Six Sigma. B. Ignoring process issues. C. Manual record keeping. And D. Increasing waste in production. The answer is Six Sigma. Question 13. Which technique is used to identify waste in production? A. Increasing batch sizes. B. Value stream mapping. C. Ignoring bottlenecks. And D. Adding more paperwork. The answer is value stream mapping. Question 14. What does Kaizen focus on in manufacturing? A. Ignoring process inefficiencies. B. Large, one-time changes in the workplace. C. Small, continuous improvements in processes. And D. Reducing production capacity. The answer is small continuous improvements in processes. Question 15. How does automation contribute to continuous improvement? A. By increasing repetitive manual tasks. B. By enhancing speed, accuracy and reducing errors. C. By eliminating the need for process optimization. And D. By making production slower. The answer is by enhancing speed, accuracy and reducing errors. Question 16. Which of the following is an example of innovation in production? A. Using outdated machinery to save costs. B. Increasing defects for cost savings. C. Avoiding automation. And D. Implementing new technology to improve efficiency. The answer is implementing new technology to improve efficiency. Question 17. Which strategy can improve productivity and efficiency? A. Reducing training programs. B. Allowing inefficiencies to continue. C. Implementing lean manufacturing principles. And D. Increasing the number of unnecessary inspections. The answer is implementing lean manufacturing principles. Question 18. Which of the following is a barrier to continuous improvement? A. Resistance to change from employees. B. Encouraging feedback and innovation. C. Adopting new technology. And D. Measuring performance regularly. The answer is resistance to change from employees. Question 19. What is the primary benefit of using real-time production monitoring systems? A. It slows down production. B. It helps in making data-driven decisions for process improvements. C. It increases paperwork. And D. It prevents production optimization. The answer is, it helps in making data-driven decisions for process improvements. Question 20. Which of the following describes a culture of innovation in production? A. No changes are made, even if inefficiencies are identified. B. The company sticks to outdated procedures. C. Management discourages feedback from workers. And D. Employees are encouraged to suggest improvements and experiment with better methods. The answer is, employees are encouraged to suggest improvements and experiment with better methods. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.